So we are back at one of my favorite all-inclusive resorts. It is called Palmaia, House of AiA. And this is a king room in the adults only building. So Palmaia is family friendly. However, because of the nature of the resort, you really don't find many children. And apparently this time of year, there's very minimal families here. We opted for the adult only building anyway, just in case. And you'll see how quiet it is below. So the mini bar comes stocked with a few different things. You get water, and this is refilled daily. You'll get your fruit and nuts, which are a really nice touch, as well as something to keep your drinks in, usually water, but no judgments, whatever you want to put in there. They also give you this really cool pencil, which happens to have some seeds in it. So after the end of your stay, you can take this home, plant it, and you'll grow some flowers. So back over here, we'll find the mini bar. And this isn't your typical mini bar. Obviously you have your Keurig with your pods, you've got a kettle, a safe. However, in the mini bar, you're not going to find alcohol in here. Not that there's not alcohol on property, there is, but you're going to find water, coconut water, kombucha, and some tea. If you want any alcohol, you can either have it delivered to you by room service or just go to one of the mini bars. Inside here, you see all natural vegan products. They've got some excellent products here at Palmaia, and they give you lots of different things like your after sun soothing gel. You also have bath salts to use in this amazing bathtub. Inside here is your shower, nice large walk-in shower, and bathroom in there. They do give you a full guide on what's available at Palmaia, and there is a lot going on. If you're looking for some music in the evening, they have their DJ sets that happen between 4 and 6 out in the Yolo bar. And then you have your Architects of Life program. So this is kind of why a lot of people come here for all of these inclusions. You do have pranayama, which is breath work. That's every morning at 7 a.m. And you have different kinds of yoga at 8 a.m. So it might be hatha, it might be vinyasa, therapeutic, which is more like a yin yoga. And then you can see all the different offerings they have here. So they've got talk with the shaman. Yes, there is an in-house shaman. They've got gong baths, full body workouts, lots of different dance methods, cacao ceremonies, so many different offerings. So if you're into the woo-woo, this is it. The beds here are super comfortable. You can see this is a massive king-size bed. Say hello to Josh, he's busy working, as usual. And then you've got your view. So we are in sargassum season in the Riviera Maya, and I actually didn't quite know what to expect when we got here. However, the beach looks pretty darn good. We are in the Playa Car area, if you're familiar. So Playa Car is a gated community just outside Playa del Carmen. We have a 3rd floor room, so you can see we have tons of different patio space here. And if you look below, you'll see the swim out suites on the bottom floor. And again, this is the adult only building, so you will see nothing but adults in this pool. And there's somebody serving them lunch right to the pool. They're actually the only ones in the pool at the moment. Down over here is the swim up bar. You can kind of see it right in there with the seats. No one is at it because it is super quiet here right now. And then there's the lovely beach. So you can hear some beats coming from one of the restaurants. Instead of beach chairs, they have these like little beanbag chairs underneath some more wooded palapa. And the beach goes from down here all the way at the end to the other end of the property. So it's a nice long stretch. You really do never feel crowded. You do have that kids area in the middle. Oh, over the property goes on a little bit further, and there's another pool beyond that. And this is Palmaia. We are super happy to be here. It is one of my favorite properties. Just for the vibe, the offerings, the service level is fantastic, as is